Welcome to the online demonstration of TTworkbench. Plugin generation. With the TTworkbench plugin mechanism, users can add or change the used test adaptation. They can individually change the codec implementation for encoding and decoding messages, or change other features, for example, include external functions. The Runtime Plugin Development Environment, RPDE, can be enabled in the settings of the test adaptation. Here, you see the built-in test adapter, which is a plugin test adapter for SIP. This is the enabled codec, the already implemented codec. And here, you can address your individual codec implementation. You can also enable external functions and define new port plugins. Our SIP solution provides the UDP, the TCP, and the TLS port plugin implementation. If you require SCTP or other underlying protocols, just write the source code into a Java class, or via our language plugin in other languages like C or C++. Afterwards, you are able to easily add the sources as plugins inside these settings. In addition, you can change the parameter server settings or add SUT actions. If, for example, the system under test has to be triggered at the beginning for sending out messages, or a proxy server has to be configured, you can implement these SUT action events here. Just define them according to your individual requirements and enable them in the test adapter settings. Within TT Suite SIP, there are only up to 3 users enabled by default, interacting with each other here in the test parameter configuration. To enable more than 3 users, just define them in TTCN3 as component instances, provide ports, and declare them in these parameter configurations. Testing Technologies provides a wide range of plugins for particular access technologies, protocols, for performing external tasks, and for importing additional languages. All available plugins can be freely combined with each other.